Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your homepage by Elementor on WordPress. So right now I'm on my WordPress and this is my GigaShot this shop here. Now you can go to the plugins. So Elementor is a application or plugin that actually allow you to edit with the professional features, edit your web page with the professional and advanced feature that actually better than your expectation is. Yes, and you can actually easily edit your web page by using Elementor, and Elementor is the most popular plugin in WordPress. So if you are a WordPress fan, then you must know the name Elementor. So let's see how much which plugin we should need to create a home page. So first we are going to search for Astra. Now here we are searching for the Astra. Here it is, the starter templates, AI powered templates for Astra. So right here, so we are going to get this and activate. So here is upgrade and activate the plan here. So there is a problem right now, so I'm again searching for the Astra in from the plugin. So from here we are going to install this starter template. Now simply click on install now, and we are going to install it, and we are also going to install this Astra widget, but first let it install. Here it is. Now Astra widgets, we have added that. So you can note that every each app of this plugin that I'm right now installing. Then here is for example shop inventory shop, and let's search for that actually. So here is WooCommerce. You can go with this WooCommerce if you are setting up a shop here. So you can setting up this WooCommerce here. So I'm going to install it, that everything you need to launch an online store in days and keep it growing for years. So you can go with this WooCommerce here, so install it, or then you can find something like, let me show you where is that. Never mind, we are going to now download the Elementor. So here it is, the Elementor here. So Elementor. I've added it, so like Elementor, where it is. So here is the Elementor. Here is the website builder, so you have to install it. Now we are pretty much ready to go with. So we have already installed this here, and for SEO you can go with the Yoast SEO or Rank Math. So here is Spectra. You can also install this Spectra if you want. So that's pretty much all things. So I have just activated all the plugins here. Now we are going to get to the installed plugin. Now here is the all plugin. Now we are going to select all plugin from here. Now the bulk action. So here is the bulk action. So we are going to activate. So activate here. So we are going to simply click on apply to activate all of this plugin at once on our web page. So here you can see it is just activating. So for that we have to wait until it activates one by one. So you have to wait. Now you can see it has just activated, and it has just redirected us to the Elementor's website, where we can simply click on the create my account to create a new account here. So we are going to create my account here. So it's look like this, and this is the section where we can continue with that. So we are going to continue with Google here. So you can continue with Facebook or also your Apple account if you want. So I'm going to simply continue with that. Now here you can see it is asking for the captcha, so I'm going to complete this captcha here, the fire hydrant. So yeah, I probably am not the robot. Yes, let's verify. What? Let's in this, man. So here you can see, and yes, now verify. So it has just registered me as a human. So simply click on connect. So it will connect the theme here. So continue with your Hello Biz theme, or there's different types of theme that you want. So you can, let's do it. Let's do it here. You can continue with the theme here. Now you can see we are on my account here. So here you can see all of these are actually activated. So all the templates here. So let's go to the templates here where we can see templates. So we are going to simply click on templates. So here is some templates. So you can simply click on add new template. So you can find something like here is some template here. Or otherwise you can simply template and go to the categories, or you can go to the save templates, or go to the add new categories here. Now let's see where is the template. So finder here. So let's see. So we have to go into appearance actually. So where we can find this starter template here. So we have to go to the starter templates. So we can find different types of template actually. So here is your starter template. Let me show you. It has to load. Load it. So we are on this page here. So build with templates. We are going to build with templates. Now we are going to select Elementor. So here is the starter template where you can find different types of interesting template that actually helps you to grow. So this template, I like this template here. Or here is for the accessory template here. Or you can go any of these from here. So I'm going to browse a little more. So you can browse till you get your expected web page. So this one, I like this one here. So I'm going to simply click on it, and here you can see it will allow me to upload the site logo here. So we are going to upload my site logo here. So simply select. Now I'm going to upload my site logo here. So the alt text, I'm going to add my alt text that the image actually holding. After adding the alt text, we are going to add that here. So here it is, all of this. Now we are going to create the color here, color combination, but it's pretty cool actually. Or we can go with the blue one, bluish color here. So yes, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to get this, and we can actually change the text for the font size here, font style here. So you can simply click on continue. Now the page builder, and it has already selected here e-commerce, website, email, and contact form is already added. So what we actually want, like free live chat here, appointment booking, or automation and integration, automate your websites and tags here. And yes, that's enough. Now simply click on continue. Now tell us a little about yourself. So what's your first name? So I'm going to add my first name like now the work mail here, and I am a beginner and website builder for myself or my company here. Now advanced option, install and activate Astro theme. So yes, I understand and go. Make sure that these two is toggled on, and simply click on submit and build my website. Now it will actually build your website, so you have to wait until it's complete to 100%. So here you can see installing the required theme and plugins and forms that you actually need to get a complete website that is an interactive and interesting. So we have to wait. You can see it has just installed all the components that actually I need to create or customize my website. Now let's see our website. So let's visit your website. Now let's see how it look like. So it has just added all every feature that actually a website needed. So this is actually my free domain. That's why it's taking too much to load. Sorry for that. So here it is. Now we are going to customize. This is the home page. So we're going to customize it. Simply, you can find the edit with Elementor here. So you can simply click on edit with Elementor. So Elementor will help you that customize your home page here. So this is the home page. So we are going to customize my home page here. So from here, the Elementor is now loading. So you have to wait until it loads all of its tools that actually help you to create a perfect home page. As you can see, it has just added. Now it will show something like things like here. So we can actually choose an image. We can actually change the image from here. Like here, I'm going to delete that here. So we are going to add some image here. So choose image. Now here is upload files. So select files from here. So we are going to add some files. So for example, this one here. So here you can see it has just uploaded, and here is all the images that actually available on my page. So here is all text. Like I'm going to add my all text. Now simply click on select. Here you can see it has just added. So it's pretty much cool, looking cool. So actually it's not going with that. So here is the container. So we can add something like this, and we can also customize it. You can change each and every text from here. We can change the section here. So it is a container. So here let me explain all of this like this, and the Elementor here. So here the plus, you just need to click on plus icon and you can get some widgets. Like you can add some container if you want, so you can simply click on it and you can select the container width and height and what type of container do you want, and then container width here. So layout, and you can select the style here. You can find this advanced option here, and you can add some headings. You can add an image section, you can add a text editor section, you can add a video section where you can embed videos, you can add buttons if you want, so just like this, and you can place it at the bottom. So default, like type default or text, you can change the text here. Now shop now, and we can just place it here, button ID. So from here here is the position, so we can place it the mid side here. So that's how we can just edit it, and each and everything that you can get from here. And this is for the pro version on Elementor, so you can get the pro version, and this is actually value for money. And this actually the structure, the layer, it will show you every container. Here is another container, here is another container, this is actually another container here. So you can get it from quick edit from this container here. If you click on it, it will show you, expand all of this section here. Again, it will show you all of this section here, so you can edit one by one. So that's how you can actually create a perfect web page for you. And from here you can find the mobile view, the tab view. Actually this is the mobile view. So that's how you can do it. So don't forget to publish your web page. Simply click on publish to save the changes. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can actually create homepage or create a perfect homepage using Elementor. Thanks for watching. Till next time.